Hello, it's Sarah again, and today I thought we'd have a look at our all-in-one bamboo nappy available on the Mosaic & Cloth website. It's a birth to potty nappy, so as you can see it has 3 extra layers where you can shrink down the size of the nappy here, so the smallest. I'll make it go to smaller size for you to see. It's got double poppers and it's got a hip popper there for security, so it means that you won't get the wings droop and you'll have a really secure fit and help contain the leaks on baby. And so this is the smallest it goes, so it's from 3 to 15 kilograms. So you can see it isn't that cute design as well. And I guess just to recap, an all-in-one nappy, it is called an all-in-one because of the magic that is inside. So let's take a look inside. And you can see that there are 2 sewn in bamboo mix inserts, which are all really nice and absorbent. They're quite thick, you can feel them here. It's got a fleece liner. And so what you can do, what's really handy, is you could also put another booster underneath if you wanted more absorbency. But also the fact that it's designed like this means it dries really quickly on the line. In terms of washing, it means that the drying process is that much quicker because obviously it's not all attached to this part in a way where it's thick layers. It means you can just hang it on the line and it will dry like that. So it's only actually got 1 insert at a time. But the beauty of it is obviously it's multiple layers. It's 3 layers within these inserts, and then you get 2 of them. So you get 6 layers of absorbency within the nappy, which is really, really good. And so many people would find that would be enough for their baby. Some people might want to boost if you're out for a longer period of time, or if you had a heavy wetter. Some people find even with this amount of absorbency it's okay for overnight, but obviously that's dependent on the baby and the needs of your child. So yeah, I mean, one of the things we really like is the design on this as well. Again, you can see this one has the seahorses and the fish and the seashells. It's really, really cute. Has the waterproof outside, everything's in one. It's one you can put on baby and then just throw in the wash once you're done, and there's no preparation at all, just literally wash, dry, reuse. As with any bamboo product, because it has bamboo in the inserts, you would of course need to pre-wash to gain the absorbency. The other part which I haven't shown, which might be helpful to consider, is knowing that, say if you have a boy and they wee more at the front, you could fold the insert in a certain way so it's placed more towards the front like that. If you have a girl, then obviously you can put it more towards the bottom like that, or just even have it completely flat like that. So it's a really flexible insert, and yeah, we just love it. And we'll feed back in time as we continue using it and just see how it works for us, and we're happy to update you.